Hi guys! Today gagawa tayo ng isa sa pinaka-easy and healthiest breakfast or merienda. Yung chia seed pudding. Super easy lang, promise. So, ito loves yung ingredients sa ating quick, healthy, and super easy na chia seed pudding. 3 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of honey, fruits for topping like strawberries, kiwi, mango, and banana, or anything na gusto mo, loves. So, let's start na. So, loves, hahaluin ko lang yung chia seeds. Ayan. And then, yung ating milk. Haluin lang nating mabuti para hindi magbuo-buo yung chia seeds. And then, lalagay natin yung 1 tablespoon ng honey. 1 to 2 tablespoons. And then, lalagay natin siya sa ref overnight maging pudding texture. Lagay natin yung mga fruits kung gusto natin madaming fruits. Ako mahilig ako sa madaming fruits. Nahalo ko na ng mabuti yung ating chia seeds with milk. Ayan siya, loves. Lagay natin siya sa jar. Ayan. Tapos yung isa, malaki. Ayan, parang isa ulit. Ayan. Okay. Very healthy kasi chia seeds, marami siyang benefits, and yung honey, alam naman natin na super healthy din siya. And of course, yung mga fruits natin na ilalagay tomorrow after natin ilagay overnight sa ref yung ating chia seeds pudding. Magiging pudding texture siya. So, yan. Ilalagay lang natin siya overnight sa ref. And then, tomorrow, pudding texture na yung ating chia. Saka natin lalagyan ng toppings na fruits. Siyempre, hihiwain na natin yun ng mga bits or portions na sizes. Lagay lang natin siya sa ref, loves, ng overnight para maging pudding texture na yung ating chia seeds. So, good night! See you tomorrow. So, ayan, lalagyan lang natin sila ng fruits. You can choose naman what fruits yung mga favorite nyo, loves. Gusto ko din sana ng strawberry kaso walang available. Walang available na strawberry kaya dragon fruit na lang. Pero okay din naman itong dragon fruit. Very healthy din naman siya. And kiwi yan. Mango, banana, kiwi, dragon fruit. Pwede din strawberries kasi masarap din yun. Ayan. So, dito naman tayo sa kabila. sulit na sulit yung pag-wait natin na overnight. Kasi very healthy and very easy. Lots of vitamins, of course, kasi yung fruits and yung chia seeds is marami yung benefits. Ayan, punuin natin itong isa kasi malaki yung jar. Ayan, sarap. Perfecto lang. Ayan. Na ang ating chia pudding na may fruits on top. Very healthy, very easy na gawin, and of course, very yummy. So, titikman na natin siya. Yan yung aking favorite portion. Tikiman time. And look at that, loves. Super daling gawin. Very creamy and lots of vitamins. Quick, healthy, and perfect sa mga naghahanap ng guilt-free snack. Ayan. So, tikman portion na. Dog ko lang hihingi. Perfect na perfect yung ating chia pudding. Perfect glow up for merienda and breakfast to. Nakaka-glow up siya kasi, 'di ba, alam naman natin super daming benefits ng fruits. Ayan, chia seeds. Perfect merienda. Merienda and breakfast. Anyway, loves, don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Watch na rin yung other videos natin. Thank you so much for watching. I hope try nyo rin itong gawin. Itong chia pudding, super masarap and super sulit. Sarap ng chia seeds. Perfect siya dun sa ating milk. Sarap. Bye now. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Woo!